What we're really excited about at the moment is how we use AI to drive sentiment analysis. So by sentiment analysis, again, we'll go back to the referral. We've asked you to refer a friend, you like the brand, so you've decided to refer some friends. We're able to track how you refer those friends. What are the messages you give? So for example, we've got a supplement customer, very, very future thinking. They're driving their marketing based on that sentiment analysis. So instead of taking unstructured data and trying to sort through it, we're using AI to understand trends, tonality, things like that. And we're enabling then the marketing team to say, okay, now we can see the cohort of people that talk about this food supplement brand based on convenience, right? Just add water, versus the health benefits, versus muscle growth benefits, versus taste. When you understand the sentiment that they're using to talk about the brand that they love, then it's very, very easy to engage them. So we're really excited about that.